Smartphone technology is rapidly evolving, and with hardware nearing saturation, manufacturers are turning their attention to artificial intelligence to usher in a new era of innovation. Google took the first step with the Pixel 8 lineup, but Samsung is ready to elevate the game with the much-anticipated Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung may surprise us by maintaining the pricing of the Galaxy S24 series. The key lies in their proprietary Exynos 2400 chip, utilized in the S24 and S24 Plus, which allows for cost savings. This chip, coupled with Samsung's decision to reserve the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 exclusively for the S24 Ultra, suggests a strategic move to balance performance and pricing. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just about hardware, it's a showcase of AI abilities. Unlike the S23 Ultra, the S24 promises instantaneous on-device AI video processing for low-light recordings. This feature, similar to that of Google's Video Boost, aims to enhance exposure without compromising stability or introducing graininess. While the sensor remains the same as the S23 Ultra, improvements in night mode, low light performance, and the addition of a 24-megapixel default photo resolution showcase Samsung's commitment to dominate completely in the camera department. Another exciting feature of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the ability to generate wallpapers using advanced AI. You can simply type a description or command, and the phone will create a stunning wallpaper for you. What's even cooler is that you can customize it further by adding weather effects like sunny, cloudy, or rainy. It's a whole new level of personalization that adds a touch of magic to your device. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is reported to have official support for satellite connectivity. The phone's ability to send emergency messages via satellite is a crucial feature that ensures you can reach out for help even in remote or challenging situations. You, as a viewer, tell me what feature you like the most. And don't forget to subscribe for the latest news in the tech world. Until next time, have a fantastic day!